Hi guys, this is Eric with Sportsman Survival. I'm out in the woods and as you can see, it's pouring down rain, and I wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys why I think our Firesteel is the best and highest quality Firesteel out there. If you go to our website and purchase our Firesteel, you won't be disappointed, and it could save your life. So I have the camera on my head now, and these are the two things I'm going to demonstrate. First is the Bic lighter. I'm going to try to light these leaves with this, and Bic makes a high quality lighter. This is a very good lighter. I'd recommend having one of these in every survival kit. And this is my own personal 1/2 inch by 4 inch Firesteel. I've used this to start many fires. And so we'll start with the Bic lighter here. We'll just pick up some leaves here, find some dryish looking ones. Hear it crackling. It did light a little bit there. It kind of went out. As the leaves dry off, they kind of light and then go out as it hits the rest of the wet leaf. I'll make a little pile here. Hope you guys can see that. I got a pine needle lit. A lot of smoke. It's just not catching. So next I'm going to try this Firesteel here. We'll just set this lighter down here and pile up some of these leaves. As you can see, these leaves are not dry. My hands got soaked just from moving them. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start. This is probably going to take a little while. Not easy to do. Most Firesteels would not even start dry leaves. So here goes. You can see the big piece of molten metal down there in the bottom. And sorry about the camera shaking. I'm sure it's shaking pretty bad as I strike these things. So these Firesteels, the metal that comes off of these burns at 3,000 degrees. And that's a lot hotter than the flame from the lighter. See, we're getting some smoke now. Some steam, some smoke. These leaves are starting to dry off down there in the nest. Hardest part is keeping these leaves together. You can see some of them are getting pretty charred here. That means they're drying out pretty good. I'm trying to keep the ones in the center stay in the center so they dry out. Still hear the stuff sizzling. Here we go, we got some flame down there. Come on. Come on. Hopefully we'll have enough leaves that have been kind of dried out. I think we got it. All right, so there you go, and I have a heck of a lot of Firesteel left. That's a huge Firesteel that'll live to light many more fires, even in the rain. So, as you can see, sometimes it's even better than a lighter. And the super alloy striker that we carry, you really can't get a better striker than that. This is a super alloy hard steel. It's got 4 edges to strike the Firesteel with, and it's going to last a long, long time. So there's our fire. Hope you enjoyed this video.